What's good, guys? So today is Wednesday, and this is Wednesday morning. So I'm at place of work. So I entered one trade yesterday, but I was busy throughout yesterday, so I couldn't record anything. And this morning, the trade turned out to be a loss. So I'm down 1% for this week. So I don't know. Maybe I'm going to see any trade setup this week again. But if I'm going to see any trade setup again for this week, that is going to be only one trade for this week. That's all. So I'm risking only 2% of my account for this week. So let me just dive into the chart and show you the trade I took that it's the stop loss. Alright, guys, so this is the trade on the Euro USD and it is on 1 hour time frame. So the trade hit my stop loss this morning, but the trade was yesterday trade. So I don't know, maybe I'm still going to see any setup for this week. But if I'm going to take any trade setup for this week, so this is going to be the trade setup. So right here. So I'm thinking of going long from here to the upside. So that is it. So this one hits my stop loss and I'm out of the trade already. So and this is the only setup I have for this week. Once this trade setup trigger or hit the stop loss like this, I'm done for this week. So only 2% for this week. That's it. So let me see you in the next clip if the trade is going to trigger me or not. So, all right, guys. So I'm in this trade right now, and it is still on Euro USD on 1 hour time frame. So I don't know what the outcome of the trade is going to be, but whatever the outcome, guys, I'm going to update you on it. If this trade turn out to be a good one, so this trade is a 1:3 trade, and I'm going to pass my phase one. So I'm going to pass my phase one if this trade hit my take profit. But if it does not, so life goes on. That means I'm down 2% for this week. That is for that. So let me see you in the next clip. What's good, guys? So today is Thursday, and this is Thursday morning. So the trade I took yesterday, was it yesterday? Yes, the trade hit my stop loss, and that's going to be the last trade for this week because I've already said that I'm going to be taking only two trades for this week. So that is it for this week. So um, next week is going to be December. I don't know, maybe I'm going to be trading or not, but if I'm going to be trading in any December, especially the first 2 weeks, so that is going to be maybe twice per week or once a week if at all I'm going to trade in December. So that is going to be one trade or two trades per week, depends. So the maximum of two trades. So that is for that, and it is well. So let me dive into the chart and show you the trade and what the trade looks like. Alright, guys, so this is the trade on the Euro USD and it is on 1 hour time frame. Actually, I was right about the direction, but my entry was a little bit early. Should I call it that? Alright, so that's for that. I'm down about 2% for this week, and for this month in total, I'm up about 4%. So, and I think I've taken 10 trades where four of them were winners. I think I'm going to put a screenshot. So that is for that. And uh, let me see you next week. And that is going to be next month and last month of the year. So let me see you in the next clip and see you next month.